In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your Weebly website private. This is a great step if you're looking to share your site with only a select group of people or just want to ensure it stays under wraps until you're ready to launch it publicly. Let's walk through this process so you can get it done quickly and efficiently. First, you need to head over to the Square website. This is because Weebly is now a part of Square and you'll manage your Weebly account through their platform. Once you're on the Square homepage, you'll want to proceed to the sign in option. Click on sign in to access your account, enter your login credentials if prompted, ensuring you're using the email and password associated with your Weebly account. After successfully logging in, navigate to the Square dashboard. This area provides access to all your Square managed applications, including Weebly. Look for the Weebly section and click through to it. This will take you to your Weebly account overview. In your account overview, you should see a list of any sites you have under your account. Find the website you intend to make private and click on the website link. This action will take you to a new page focused on that specific site. From here, you'll see an option labeled Edit Site. Click on that, which will bring you into the Weebly Editor interface. Once you're inside the Weebly Editor, you'll want to look for the Settings menu. It's typically located in the same toolbar where you edit your site, so it should be easy to find. Click on Settings to continue. This is where you'll configure a lot of important options for your site, including privacy-related settings. Now you need to access the page settings to fine-tune how visitors interact with your site. Look for an option that says View Page Settings and click on it. This will give you a more detailed set of options for how the website and its individual pages are handled. The final step is to apply password protection, ensuring only those with the password can view your site. Look for password protection in the settings and click on it. By enabling this feature, Weebly will prompt you to set a password. Choose a strong password that you'll share only with the people you want to have access to the site. And there you have it, you've successfully made your Weebly website private. Remember, when you're ready to take your site public, you'll just need to follow these steps to disable password protection, and your content will be available to everyone. Thanks for watching, and we hope this guide was helpful. Feel free to reach out if you have any questions.